Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!